This is a demonstration of using the Editorial app on iOS to do org mode related things. So if you don't know about those things, this is probably not for you. So this is kind of a standard org mode to-do list that is actually for this screencast. And so I've actually already added checks on functions to see that they're in documents. So that's good. So I can hit done. I have put the date in front of done, and that makes sorting right. It's not standard org, but it's my preferred usage, so we're doing that. And let's see, updated sort and fold. I've done that. And so let's go ahead and resort that. So the done items move to the bottom, and then we're onto this record screencast. So that's good. Let's go ahead and adjust the priority of that one. It's top priority now. Cool. And let's go ahead and fold everything as much as we can using this. So this doesn't quite do the same type of folding as we would find with Markdown. And I think that has to be dealt with in the Editorial app itself. But it does pretty close. So we can see that item A is record screencast, C is post about functions, D is to talk about some other functions, and E is to post this. So that's all good. Let's zoom back in here. So yep, I found out about this from that spot. Let's go ahead and mark that done as well. And that will, if we sort it, that will go away. And now we're on to the next thing. And so yeah, there are a bunch of functions, and I'll link to the description of these so you can click on them rather than have to get them from the screencast. And I think that is the main set of things. Well, I guess so I could decide that I wanted to have another item. Think of something else to say. And I could say that that's going to be priority B. Cool. Yeah, and then I could put some children under that. And if I fold that, sort children, there we go. Due to some of the standard syntax of org mode in Markdown, which is what I have it in here, things like that happen where it adds an asterisk when you wouldn't necessarily want one. But so we made that go away. Let's go ahead and fold sum, which is like what org mode will do. So it'll unfold children, but those items that don't have any stars in front of them will remain folded. Let's go back to folding all again. All right, so I think I did think of something else to say. So put that at the end. Just scroll down to the end so you can see that, yeah, so these are now sorted by date first and foremost, and then, well, date and time, and then priority, which is how I do it. You can obviously modify these if you download them and start playing with them. Yeah, so I think those are the main things. I'll post about functions that convert between org style and markdown style, namely replacing stars with hash symbols, or in this hybrid mode, stars with hash stars to kind of keep some of the org flavor. And that doesn't actually provide too many advantages. It makes the folding work slightly better, but other than that, I wouldn't recommend it. I would just stay in org style and hope that we can get a lot of functions, and then hope that some of those functions make it into the actual software. Thanks.